Problem of poor gut and how to fix it. Friends, as we grow in our age, our metabolism gets slow, and the main problem of slow metabolism could be the poor gut problem. Hi, my name is Bhupendra. I'm an online fitness coach. I'm a lifestyle expert and I help people to lose their fat. Friends, gut is also known as the second brain of our body. There we do have a gut system which I like to explain to you. I like to make you understand in a very layman language that there is a long pipe included of many organs and many systems in our body which is known as gut system. Like we eat our food, then after that it goes into a pipe from our mouth, then after that it reaches to our stomach, after that it reaches to small intestine, then larger intestine, then extract to from our body. So the whole process is known as the gut, that how the food take place in our body. For those people who has the poor gut, they have the problem of poor digestion, acidity, and they have the problem of constipation. And today I like to discuss about that how to improve your gut, because our gut is a makeup of whole bacteria which can be found in this atmosphere, and our gut is made up of millions and millions and millions of bacteria which make their impact on the food. That's why today I like to talk about the guts. If a poor gut, you are facing a problem of the poor gut, then you can fix it with these three solutions. The number one solution is the include a good fiber in your food. For those people who do many diets, or for those people who eat whatever they want to eat, they have the problem of not having the enough fiber in your food. The fiber are two types. The one type of fiber which we get directly from the salads, and the another type of fiber which we get from the skin of the whole complex carbs. Wheat has the fiber capacity, the rice has the fiber capacity, the fruits have the fiber capacity. We must include those things also in our diet so that our metabolism will become fast and it will be a boon for our gut. The second thing which you can do, as I was mentioning earlier, that our gut is made up of bacteria. The bacteria make impact on the food. That's why food changes its chemicals and releases the power like protein, carbs and fat from it, and body absorb all the liquids from the food and utilize them as an energy or repairing or preserving. So that's why you need to have the positive bacteria more in your body, and to include them you need to include some of the foods like which are made up of bacteria like curd, yogurt, cheese, apple cider vinegar. These are the some things which are made up of bacteria or made by the bacteria which are the positive bacteria for our body. We must include these food in our dishes, in our food items. Now the third thing which we really need to improve our gut, and the name of the third thing is workout. You need to include any exercise pattern in your life. The exercises really make an impact on our life because they release a powerful chemicals in our brain so that we become happy automatically. But if we really want to improve our gut, and especially for those people who has the problem of constipation and poor digestion, they must include the workouts in their life. Workout can be the walk, workout can be the gym sessions, workout can be the mountaineering, workout can be the hiking. Include some walk. Your walk going to improve your gut life. That's why many of the people says that what kind of guts you have, which could be the different from the subject which we are talking about here. But if you really want to improve your guts, then you need to include these three things in your daily life schedule. Friends, now if you wish to start your health journey, or if you wish to lose your 10 kg weight in upcoming 45 days, and if you're ready to give your 100%, then feel free to message me or contact me directly. This is Bhupendra signing out for now. I know you can do it. You just need to know your fitness.